Everybody dance now in the jungle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Who is this strong animal? Listen. Here is a hint. It has orange fur with black stripes. 3, 2, 1. It's a tiger. Look at those stripes. Did you get it? Wow, it is a tiger. Let's spell tiger together. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tigers are excellent swimmers too. Roar. Who is this funny animal? Listen. Here is a hint. It loves to eat bananas and jump on trees. 3, 2, 1. It's a monkey. Look, he has a banana. Did you guess it? Subscribe for more. So funny. It is a monkey. Let's spell monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkeys are great climbers. Ooh, ah. Who is this striped friend? Listen. Here is a hint. It looks like a horse but has black and white stripes. 3, 2, 1. It's a zebra. Wow, look at those patterns. Did you guess it? Subscribe for more. Good job. It is a zebra. Let's spell zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. No two zebras have the same stripes. Wow, who is this very tall animal? Listen. Here is a hint. It has a super long neck and eats leaves from trees. 3, 2, 1. It's a giraffe. Look how tall it is. Did you guess it? Subscribe for more. So tall. It is a giraffe. Let's spell giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. Who is this big fuzzy animal? Listen. Here is a hint. It loves to eat honey and sleeps all winter. 3, 2, 1. It's a bear. Look, he found some honey. Did you guess it? Subscribe for more. Let's spell bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Bears are very strong and furry. Who is this big hungry animal? Listen. Here is a hint. It loves to swim in the river and has big teeth. 3, 2, 1. It's a hippo. Look at those big teeth. Did you guess it? Let's spell hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Hippos spend most of their day in water.